So here's a little clip of your Seiko weekdater, his Sealion, and you can see just going over the midnight there, so the day and date change. Just flip round and do that again. Like so. And then obviously when changing the date with the quick change star, make sure the hands are in the lower quadrant, and pulling that out to the mid position, you can see it's very hard to get a hold of this crown. That's my only real complaint. This crown is so ludicrously tiny, and I don't have particularly fat fingers at that as well, but just trying to actually get a hold of this crown, get any traction on it is incredibly tricky. And whilst you're trying to turn it, it's so easy to push it back in as well. But as you can see, you have to keep trying to pull that out. It does hang up a little bit on the 18, as mentioned. The date change star has been riveted back on. It does hang up a little around the sort of 18 mark. And oops, there we go. And it's so easy to, when you do get a grip, to spin it round too quickly. What are we on today? We're on the 29th. I'm going to change that to the 28th. The day of course is wrong, and you can't quick change the day, only the date. So 28th, and then we'll rotate that round. Oh, if I can pull that out, there we go. This stem is ridiculously tiny. Let me see if I can, if I have a vise for that. See, even the vise is slipping off. I could do maybe do with one that's ever so slightly smaller. Quite a frustrating design, this tiny crown, but anyway, let's battle on with finger and thumb. As I say, obviously the day is incorrect and you would need to rotate fully round to get back to the correct day. It's currently Sunday the 29th and it is currently 4 PM, so almost. So we'll turn that around there, and we are at almost 5 to 4, about there. So a replacement crystal, as you can see there, and the case has been cleaned up as well. And you get yourself some traction on your finger and thumb in preparation for that one. You will need it. And here is your Tissot with its now very secure case back. The gasket was a specific OEM Tissot one. It's a green gasket. It's very similar to the red hard plastic ones, but a very specific shape. But thankfully this is a fairly not too old model, and the gaskets are quite available, so that's nice and secure. And as you can see, that's not going anywhere in a hurry. And as mentioned, I would recommend that you get this one serviced at some point, and in the not too distant future. The reversers are definitely binding on this. You can feel it when you hand wind the movement. There's a lot of resistance and it spins the oscillating weight, and it's not in bad condition internally. It looks quite good. It's just a little bit in need of a bit of TLC, and it would be a shame to leave that for too much longer and get some wear on the parts. Okay, so they'll be packaged up and ready to get back to you, and that'll be in the post tomorrow. Apologies for the rattling there. And there you go. Thank you.